Hey, Jimmy. Jimmy. Hey, look at him. Hasn't listened to a word I've said. Hey, Jimmy. I got your bike.
You didn't get him a Huffy, did you?
I don't actually have a bike. Jimmy, do you want some ice cream? Some video games?
And porn!
No, not porn. He's 9. He's dead behind the eyes watching this crap.
Knock, knock, your favorite neighbor is here. You guys haven't seen my boys around, have you? I haven't seen them in hours. Hey, why are you watching Spicy Time Yabba Dabba Sing-Along Hour?
We're not watching it. We're about to put on some sport ball. I don't know.
You know, the guy who created this is like a bajillionaire. He used to be a heroin addict. Then, when he was going through withdrawals, God spoke to him and came up with the idea for the show, and now he's clean, but he's filthy rich, and he's got a huge-ass dick, too.
Right, well, I'm not sure how that's relevant.
How rich did you say he was?
Let me preface this by saying we need to look at this as an investment vehicle.
No. We are not making a kids show, especially if it means me doing all the work where you guys sit around getting drunk.
You doing all the work? I could write a kid's show in like a heartbeat.
Oh, really?
Yeah. All you need is some sort of gender-neutral animal. Telling kids to eat their veggies while you market them toys and other products, which slowly infiltrates the family dynamic over generations to come. Potentially raping our society of any true culture and creating a paradigm where we all feel like failures. Yeah.
I've already got costumes in the cart.
You know that thing you get when your piss goes into 2 different streams at once?
Oh, I love that, yeah.
Yeah, right? It's been happening to me a lot.
Guys, what the hell are you doing in here, and what is this?
Oh, you should see all the hot chicks we got to audition for Princess Goodhead.
What do you mean additions? We don't even have a script yet. What's this you're using? Is this Requiem for a Dream?
Yeah.
Oh God, please, not that scene.
Oh, so they can show range.
There's nudity in it. It's a kid's show.
No, you said range.
Knock, knock, your favorite neighbor's here.
Let me guess, she's going to be in it too.
You guys are going through with the TV show?
It's a closed audition, Cheryl.
This is pretty funny stuff. Ass to ass? That's classic.
You don't want to be in Cheryl requires nudity.
I've done full nude. What, you gotta show range.
You're not going to be in the show.
What about my boys?
Your kids are ugly, Cheryl.
Hey, they're not ugly. They're just unique looking. By the way, have you seen them around? Seriously.
This elephant costume looks way different than it did online.
Stop. Stop everything now. Stop using my garage as a production office. Stop using it for auditions and just get out.
Can we use it as a production stage?
Hey, you guys want a party? This is straight Midori and kale.
Shut up, Cheryl.
Hey kids, we love you and we want you to grow up big and strong. So what's the most important thing in your life?
That hot little body of yours.
No, your health and your family.
Just ask Princess Goodhead and her trusty sidekick Snaggleflout.
Hi guys! Snaggleflout here doesn't like to eat his veggies. What kind of elephant doesn't like that? Well, I've got a great way for him to eat healthy and make it tasty. So, you don't like your veggies, but you love your juice.
I love your juice.
So, what are you gonna do about it?
I don't know.
Juice your veggies! Do you like carrots?
No!
Try juicing them. Corn?
Sorta.
Juice them. Bok choy.
Oriental food God damn it. Oriental food makes me gassy.
Okay. Stir the blend.
Yeah! Get that juice!
Try a taste, Snaggleflout.
Okay.
Well, what do you think?
It's scrumpdoodle You want to taste?
Okay.
It looks exactly like a penis. You're right. Guys, who wrote the line about black kids getting muscles faster?
Me.
Okay, I'm taking it out because it sounds a little racist.
What do you mean it sounds a little racist? It's 100% racist.
Yeah,